My childhood was little difficult because my father would mostly be absent. You can say that I grew up without a father. I used to go play down with my friends, और जब उनके dads आते थे उनको लेने के लिए, I used to just sit there and wonder when will my dad come, when will my dad come, when will my dad come. So every time he would come, he would just promise कि okay he'll not leave again, but he would. So that would break my heart. मेरे पास कोई डिग्री नहीं थी, so I knew कि कोई मुझे काम नहीं देगा, so I thought कि चलो एक्टिंग करते हैं. Big stars come out and talk about it, तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा praise किया जाता है, and it is very easy to just like target someone या किसी की mental health का मजाक उड़ाना जब आप उनके अगेंस्ट होते हो. तो कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने मजाक उड़ाया. इनफैक्ट मैंने कहीं पढ़ा भी था, किसी ने बोला कि अगर इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है तो व्हाई डिड यू कम टू बिग बॉस.
डोंट यू थिंक रजत का भी जो धमकी देने का नेचर है,
हाँ,
वो भी लोगों को एक्सेस करना चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी स्टॉप्ड समवेयर.
या द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट ही सेज, बाहर आना, दिखा दूंगा,
धमकी देना,
फाड़ दूंगा, एंड यू नो हिम एक्चुअली गोइंग वायलेंट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल हैव नॉट talked about that a lot, like pinning Avinash against the wall. I think it's a very good thing that I'm judgmental, isn't it? पूरा घर भूखा था, मैं सब कुछ साइड में रख के उनसे बात करने गई थी, and he told me that आपके आने से मेरा ego satisfy हो रहा है. Kanwar also told his parents, wanted to tell his parents before telling his friends or anybody else. So उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि co-actors को पता चल गया है. We were trying to keep it hidden from them also, but of course they get to know. It's going to happen अभी अचानक से. It will take some time. It will take its own course. So yes, we are going to get married eventually, but not before 5-6 years. Not.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I am in conversation with Alice Kaushik. Alice, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, thank you.
You know, Alice, we have seen a journey, a side of you in Bigg Boss. Now we'll know more about you.
Tell me, what side of me have you seen in Bigg Boss?
Okay, so as an audience, you have a fun side. You are this bubbly person. भले ही लोगों ने चुगलखोर कहा, but I feel आपको लोगों को परखना आता है अच्छे से.
Thank you. Well, thank you.
you sort of up vibe वो कर लेते हो.
Catch कर लेते हो.
सही बोला.
Yeah, absolutely. You're right. You're on point. You're bang on.
You know, Alice, I want to know, growing up, how has been your childhood years, your formative years? How was that?
Well, okay. I think Bigg Boss में कहीं ना कहीं आपने सुना होगा, मैं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात कर रही थी, मैं नायरा के साथ बैठी थी.
Even on entry, you.
Yeah, even while entering, I did not really go in depth entry पे, but नायरा के साथ कहीं ना कहीं मैं बात कर रही थी, तो I know where this question is stemming from. My childhood was well, it was bittersweet. Okay, it was little difficult because my father would mostly be absent. You can say that I grew up without a father. It was a little bit difficult with my mom because she was little tough and strict.
But you know, like you mentioned, you opened up about it in the Bigg Boss house, right? Was it difficult emotionally to recall those moments?
Yeah, definitely it is difficult because, you know, as a child you want your father to be there, you want your mother to be completely with you. So, you know, I remember I used to go play down with my friends, और जब उनके dads आते थे उनको लेने के लिए, I used to just sit there and wonder when will my dad come, when will my dad come, when will my dad come. So, you know, every time he would come, he would just promise कि okay he'll not leave again, but he would. So that would break my heart, and you know, yeah, so it was that. Of course it was difficult.
And how did you step into acting? That, like, was it a dream or it was maybe?
I never wanted to be an actor. I wanted to be a filmmaker, in fact. And for that, I was studying BMM. But then I switched to fashion for some reason. And I had decided to be independent. I really had this thing in me बचपन से कि मुझे independent होना है. And I remember second year में the fashion fees was a bit much. So I thought I'm not going to put it on my mother in any way. So what can I do about it? So I thought I'll take a year and I'll work. Now मेरे पास कोई degree नहीं थी, so I knew कि कोई मुझे काम नहीं देगा. So I thought कि चलो acting करते हैं. But no one told me acting was going to be that difficult. First, you have to, learn and yeah, you have to train yourself and all of that. I just started auditioning और मैंने जितना भी सीखा मैं एक audition से दूसरे audition तीसरे audition पे मैं थोड़ा ऐसे सीखती गई. Then I got my first show. वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सीखा. मैं अपने seniors को पकड़ के बैठ जाती थी कि ये आपने कैसे किया, वो आपने कैसे किया. And in my free time, I used to just be behind the monitor, look at my seniors, how they are emoting, what they're doing.
Which year was it?
It was 2015. That's when I started, yes. So then again, learned through auditions. Then I landed up with my second show and उसमें भी यही था. And my seniors were, मुझे touchwood हर show में seniors बहुत अच्छे मिले हैं, senior actors, जिनसे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला है. And in my last show also मेरे director बहुत अच्छे थे, जिनसे मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला है. So with every show I've learned and yeah, in my last year I got a lot of love. So I don't know कि कब मैं वो बस एक second year की fees collect करने के लिए मैंने इसमें I stepped into it, and कब वो पूरा proper मैंने सोच लिया कि मुझे actor बनना है. I think वो बोलते हैं ना, acting bug bit you. So I think it was that acting bug bit me and I never looked back. Bye bye fashion.
But was this industry, like when you entered, was it difficult to crack that maybe first break or to sustain till
I think it is difficult like that for everybody because it's a process. You have to go through a lot of auditions, especially when you're not a trained actor and you're learning as you're giving auditions and you're learning on the job. So yes, it is difficult, and I did give a lot of auditions after every show. So yeah, it was a lot difficult.
But were you that naive कि लोगों से deal करना difficult था? Because you know कि ये journey and ये industry है.
I started early. I started when I was 19, and I was as a person. I used to be as a person. I was very naive. तो मुझे industry के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था. Zero knowledge, zero acting knowledge, zero people knowledge, zero industry knowledge. So ये सारी चीजें along the way I have picked up.
But did you meet some wrong people?
Nah, never.
That way you were very
confident. I think I'm God's child truly. I never met any wrong people. And उतना sense तो मुझ में था कि अगर मैं किसी wrong people को भी, किसी wrong person को भी encounter करती तो how my take would have been, how it would have been. So.
But which show do you believe changed your life?
My last show, Pandya Store.
Pandya Store.
Yeah, that really changed. It's all for me.
Well, any fond memory, because I know that show. आपने I think considerable amount of time you worked on it, right?
Yeah, 800 episodes.
Yeah.
Do you call that considerable amount? Yes, I do call that considerable amount. So, any fond memory of my last show?
Yeah.
Well, I got my partner.
Coming on that now.
Okay, come on that.
No, you are coming on that now.
Yeah, I got my partner and so well, initially थोड़े बहुत riffs थे with the co-actors. वो भी I think it was all out there that there were riffs.
Yeah.
थोड़े बहुत major नहीं थे, थोड़े बहुत थे वो जैसे हर set पे होते हैं. But then it's so sweet because I was struggling with my health. Like I've mentioned in my previous interviews my anxiety, depression. So I used to get anxiety attacks during my work. So all of my co-actors, it's very sweet. They all came together and they were really there for me. So it sort of became like a family. So yeah, eventually it did.
Initially, I think 21 or 22 se, there were reports about you and Kanwar coming out, but you always denied that initially. When did you feel कि okay?
हमें बहुत मजा आता था.
वो मैंने notice किया था. But when was the right time you felt कि okay, now I can maybe tell the world about my life.
I think जब एक साल पूरा हो गया था.
Now I'm confident.
Not that we were not confident. It's just that Kanwar also told his parents, जैसे we started, Gajner, we started in Gajner, and Gajner से आने के बाद he wanted to tell his parents before telling his friends or anybody else. So उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि co-actors को पता चल गया है. We were trying to keep it hidden from them also, but of course they get to know. So उसको अपने parents को सबसे पहले बताना था. उसके बाद तो बस हम ऐसे ही मस्ती मजाक में खेल रहे थे कि चलो let's see, let people just speculate.
But something you love, hate and tolerate about him as a person?
I love the person that he is. I love how he's my strength. I love how he takes care of me. What I tolerate about him is that कभी-कभी वो बोलता है 5 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, 10 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, वो 15 मिनट हो जाते हैं, फिर वो 20 मिनट हो जाते हैं, फिर वो आधा घंटा हो जाता है. So I think I've learned to live with that. That's what I tolerate about him. And
hate about him, like something you want कि वो बदले अपने में.
Well, I think this one habit. Yeah, that's it.
Late coming.
Yeah, that's it.
You know, Alice, recently काफी कुछ कहा गया है about how the working culture in television industry is, right? The
Okay.
long working hours, the delay in payments, the environment on set. Have you ever faced such difficulties that part?
Delay in payment, I have never faced. Again, touch wood, thank God.
Good production also.
Yeah, I've worked with good people in the span of 2015 to 24.
24.
9
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
I've worked with good people. Working hours,
Working
yes,
hours
yes.
and
12.
environment on set.
Yeah. Environment तो ठीक है, मतलब वो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चलता ही रहता है, बिकॉज सब लोगों के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है, फ्रॉम डायरेक्टर टू ऑल दी एक्टर्स. डायरेक्टर के ऊपर तो सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है सबसे परफॉर्मेंस निकलवाने का, अलग अलग एंगल्स, दिस एंड दैट, हाउ टू लाइक वो पूरा अच्छा दिख के आई, ये पूरा प्रेशर डायरेक्टर के ऊपर होता है. एंड एक्टर्स के ऊपर इतना सारा प्रेशर होता है डिलीवरी का, प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर एक अलग प्रेशर होता है, बिकॉज टेलीकास्ट हैपेंस एवरी डे. सो यू नो वो इतने सारे प्रेशर में लोग थोड़ा बहुत अनाय होके खिटपिट हो ही जाती है. सो दैट इज द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट. उसके बाद भी आई थिंक सबकी फैमिली बनी जाती है सेट पे while working together. What was your next question?
Long working hours.
Yeah, so that
Why?
I answered that also.
But you know, Alice, you have also been vocal, I think, with our previous interview as well, ki you have been an anxiety person, you have been a depression person. Do you feel there is need for
I have not
actors?
been an anxiety person or depression person. I suffer from anxiety.
You suffer, yeah.
I suffer from anxiety. I suffer from depression. और ये आज का नहीं है, ये काफी टाइम से है, काफी ज्यादा टाइम से. एंड आई डू टेक माई मेडिसिन फॉर इट. आई नो कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने मजाक उड़ाया. इनफैक्ट मैंने कहीं पढ़ा भी था, किसी ने बोला कि अगर इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है तो व्हाई डिड यू कम टू बिग बॉस. अरे ये प्रॉब्लम अभी से नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज आई हैव दिस, I suffer from these things does not mean that I will stop working or I will not work or I will stop at anything. I think when big stars come out and talk about it, तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा praise किया जाता है, and it is very easy to just like you know target someone या किसी की mental health का मजाक उड़ाना जब आप उनके against होते हो तो. So I don't think it's very nice.
Yeah, that's what I was coming on. You know, when you opened up about it, judgments थे, and how did you deal with that? Like, that was only my thing.
Deal with, I ignore that. I completely ignore that because I know that these people are really, to me, they seem really silly because उनको कुछ पता तो है नहीं. उन्होंने अपने दिमाग में already judgment बना लिया कि इंसान ही गलत है, तो चलो ये अपना mental health भी in a way ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, चीज़ें बना रही है, बोल रही है. But just like you know, I wouldn't even say कि go ask my previous show के co-actors and all that. It is something that I go through, I suffer from. और मुझे किसी का validation नहीं चाहिए कि भाई okay, I suffer from this, तो this or that. I don't want anybody's validation. This is what I go through, and I take my medicines and I work. And I will continue to work. Why would I stop at anything just because some people are saying certain things?
But good that despite that you took a show like Bigg Boss, I think, which is mentally challenging.
Guys, that's what I'm saying. You shouldn't stop at anything. Anxiety shouldn't stop you. Depression shouldn't stop you. In fact, you know what? मैं तो इन चीज़ों के बीच में रहते हुए बात कर रही हूँ. People normally come out of it and then they talk about it. It's a lot easier. I go through it and I'm talking about it, and I've gone to the show. So I'm just telling you guys, whoever goes through, and I know that I'm not the only person. A lot of people. Sometimes people don't even get to know that they are going through it, and some people are aware. So a lot of people go through it. So it is completely okay to go through it. Just don't stop at anything and fulfill your dreams. Work towards them. It's possible. Trust me, guys. It's possible.
Alice, this was first time जब show offer हुआ था. Like this was the first season you were offered of Bigg Boss.
I did have meetings last year. Not meetings, just one meeting last year, and this year it just happened.
But do you feel कि एक Bigg Boss जैसा show आप जब करके आते हो, जैसा आपका स्टेंट रहा है, बिकॉज इन द प्रीवियस इंटरव्यू यू मेंशन कि 24 आवर्स होते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं हम एज ऑडियंस 1 या 2 घंटे की वो क्लिप्स देखते हैं. ठीक है, डू यू फील कि जो एक आपकी फ्रेंडशिप को क्वेश्चन उठा, एक जो चुगली गैंग, एक लोगों ने बोला कि अरे एलिस बहुत जजमेंटल है एंड कमेंट्स पास करती है.
आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट आई एम जजमेंटल, इजंट इट? it protects you when you're judgmental. It protects you, and I have developed that over the years. Like I said, कि initially I was very very naive. मुझे लोग समझ में नहीं आते. It is over the time that I have developed it. So guys, it's you have got to be judgmental when you're dealing with people. You have to have your sense. You have to have your sensibility. Otherwise, तो आप बेवकूफ बनते जाओगे. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's a compliment.
But you know what tipped you off about Karanveer कि day one? I think मेरे show पे
Not day one. Let me tell you. पहले तो जब वो आए थे मुझे बहुत ही लगे थे कि बहुत सही इंसान लगे थे क्योंकि काफी मस्ती मजाक किया तो वो है ही. I am not denying that. But it's just that जब उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था अपने ego satisfy करने के लिए, so I thought that's very very wrong क्योंकि सुबह से लेके शाम हो गई थी और पूरा घर भूखा था. मैं सब कुछ साइड में रख के उनसे बात करने गई थी. And he told me that I'm very happy because आपके आने से मेरा ego satisfy हो रहा है. So that is what ticked me off. And then he did the whole cover episode जहाँ उनके पास कोई रीज़न नहीं था. उन्होंने जो सलमान सर ने बोला उठा के बस उन्होंने आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर दिया क्योंकि उनके पास बोलने के लिए कुछ अपना कुछ खुद नहीं था. तो फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक कि यार आप कोई वैलिड पॉइंट निकालो, इनवैलिड निकाल लो, आप पर्सनल लाइफ पे मत जाओ. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट योर पर्सनल लाइफ एंड आई एम नॉट स्टूपिंग दैट लो. मैं इतना नीचे गिर के आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ पे कमेंट नहीं कर रही हूँ. सो लाइक यू नो इट्स वेरी नास्टी एंड you've just seen me cry, and you're doing that. I think that's very nasty. So that.
But you know the kind of tag you three were getting कि चुगली गैंग है, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं बॉदर किया?
मुझे बिल्कुल भी बॉदर नहीं किया बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू जो लोग ये टैग दे रहे हैं ना वो खुद बैठ के अपने दोस्तों के साथ बात कर रहे हैं और वो तो सोशल मीडिया पे भी डाल रहे हैं. वो तो सोशल मीडिया पे भी डाल रहे हैं. उनके जो ओपिनियंस है वो तो सोशल मीडिया पे भी डाल रहे हैं एंड दे आर गोइंग एट इट. सो नहीं, मुझे बिल्कुल भी बॉदर नहीं किया बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक कि हम कुछ भी गलत कर रहे थे. हम लोगों को असेस कर रहे थे, अपने ओपिनियंस फॉर्म कर रहे थे एंड बीच में थोड़ी बहुत मस्ती कर रहे थे एंड सीरियस चीज़ों को लेके सीरियस बातें कर रहे थे, डिसीजंस ले रहे थे. सो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? 24 hours you live there, what will you do, man?
Well, you know, Alice, रजत का जो एक नेचर है घर में, he has come out as this tough man. लोगों ने आपका एक वो स्टेंट जज किया when you लोगों को अज्यूम हुआ कि आप वुमेन कार्ड खेलना चाहते हो कहीं ना कहीं. सेकेंड थिंग, डोंट यू थिंक रजत का भी जो धमकी देने का नेचर है वो भी लोगों को एक्सेस करना चाहिए एंड it should be stopped somewhere?
Yeah, the kind of things that he says, बाहर आना, दिखा दूंगा, फाड़ दूंगा, and you know him actually going violent. I don't know why people have not talked about that a lot. Like pinning Avinash against the wall. फिर his abusive nature, him abusing his mother and then abusing Vivian. There have been times where I've seen him instigating Vivian to an extent where Vivian is walking and constantly he's walking behind Vivian and he's like touching like that, going on and on and on and on, instigate करने के लिए कि भाई कुछ तो हो, कुछ तो मिले, कुछ तो. So I don't know why. I've not seen the episodes, तो मैं इस बारे में बात नहीं कर सकती कि कितना दिखाया है, कितना नहीं दिखाया, क्या है क्या नहीं. But I don't know why people are not talking about that. I think बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्री हैं और वो अपने फेवरेट्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए दूसरों के लिए नेगेटिव चीज़ें बातें कर रहे हैं.
But you know, currently, what do you think about Vivian and Chahat's game?
Vivian is a very strong player. Vivian is very sensible. Vivian is very wise. Chahat, God knows what her game is. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
But you are rooting for Avinash and Eisha, definitely.
I'm rooting for Vivian, Avinash, Eisha, and yeah.
You know, lastly, Alice, fans are asking कि अब आपकी और कवर की शादी कब होगी?
Oh man, see,
I'm very serious here.
Yes, I'm also. I'm going to ask you. I'm going to answer you very seriously कि घर में जाने से पहले भी जितने भी हमारे इंटरव्यूज हुए हैं उनमें हमने यही कहा है कि भाई it's not just going to happen अभी अचानक से. It will take some time. It will take its own course. तो जो उसने बोला 5 साल और जो सलमान सर ने मुझसे पूछा 5 साल तो मैंने भी बोला yes 5 साल, which it's true. That's how we see because we both want to really focus on our careers and घर पे सब पता ही है. It's not like कि हम एक दूसरे के साथ almost 4 साल से हैं, अब ऐसे ही तो है नहीं. Of course we see it going that way. So yes, we are going to get married eventually, but not before 5-6 years. No, guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you all, but not before 5-6 years.
And your dream project or upcoming project now?
अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो भी होगा वो आपको बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाएगा क्योंकि मुझे पता है आप आ ही जाओगे पूछने के लिए.
आप ही अनाउंस कर दोगे?
मैं ही अनाउंस कर दूंगी अपने आप ही. ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट, Well, it is my dream to work with Bhansali sir once. It's my ultimate dream. Baki, at this point, I'm really open to a lot of different things,
Yeah.
and I'm open to experimenting, and I'm open to experimenting with the languages also, be it Punjabi, be it
Yeah,
South
yeah.
Indian.
Regional.
Yeah, so I'm to webs. Let's see where life takes me.
Thank you so much, Alice. Only positivity ahead, I feel, and
Thank you.
waiting for your upcoming projects.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, my name is Alice Kaushik, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.